Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the cap channel trading indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator can provide us with good buy and sell signals during market range conditions. As you can see, this indicator is composed of 3 lines. The middle line is the TMA, or triangle, moving average, and the upper and lower lines are drawn at a distance from this line. When the price crosses above the upper line and breaks it upwards, this indicator issues sell signals to us.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
Conversely, when the price breaks the lower line, the indicator issues buy signals. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option used is the calculation of the TMA, or triangle moving average. The higher we set this number, the smoother and more refined the moving average will be. The second option is the price on which the moving average is calculated, which is set to a weighted price by default. The next option determines the distance of the upper and lower lines from the middle line. The greater this value, the wider the distance between these two lines, or the width of our channel becomes. We can adjust this number based on the symbol we are trading, or the time frame we are in. The next option is for setting up alerts. If this option is enabled, it will issue an alert when the price breaks the channel upwards or downwards. The next option, if enabled, will issue an alert while the candle is still open and does not wait for the candle to close. If it is false, it will issue the alert after a candle closes. The next option for alerts is when we want only the high price to cross above the upper line of the channel, or the low to cross below the lower line of the channel without waiting for a close. If it is true, it issues an alert as soon as the high or low crosses the upper or lower line of the channel. However, if it is false, it waits for the candle to close above the upper line of the channel or below the lower line of the channel before issuing the alert. The last option is the number of candles in the past chart on which this indicator performs these channel calculations. Let's test this indicator together. In the MetaTrader 5 platform, you can use this same indicator with exactly the same settings. You will see the application of this indicator in the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any suggestions or criticisms, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.